Alright guys, today we're taking a look at the Bestech Shrapnel. This is a frame lock with a flipper, and it's a really nicely made knife. It looks like, the handle I should say, reminds me of an Olamic swish almost. Check that out on our website as well. Overall length is 8 3/8 of an inch, blade length 3.5 inches of S35 VN steel, and there is the name on the back of the knife. The handle length is 4.875 inches, and it is titanium. Gray titanium on this one, but it comes in other colors as well. Check those out on our website. I'll link to it right here. Overall weight is 4.71 ounces. Here's a tactical clothespin for size comparison. And you do have a pocket clip for tip-up right-handed carry only. But there you have it, guys. This is the Bestech Shrapnel. Go ahead and check it out and buy it at bladehq.com.